What's up, M the Mafia? It's your boy Moody. And we're back with another video. I don't know why she's so shy about recording in front of people. I don't care. I mean, you're gonna watch it on YouTube if not, so why not watch it in person? You're getting live footage of us. You know what I'm saying? But as you guys can tell by the title of this video and thumbnail, we're gonna go ahead and try a little something new upon our channel as of what is it?
The best review?
Yeah, the best reviews on restaurants.
On worst review. But today we're doing the best review.
Yeah, I want to start off with something.
Today's Sunday, we went to church. We ain't trying to.
And then this is going to be the first meal of the day. First meal of the day, I can't start it off like that. So I got to go ahead and put something good in my stomach. You dig what I'm saying? But we can go ahead and head to the little place. So we can get something down there, open in a few minutes.
We're gonna read the reviews.
Yeah, we're gonna also read the reviews.
Make me want to eat it so bad. The reviews sound so good. I'm hungry.
Yeah, I hope the reviews as good as they seem. Like as the food well seasoned and everything. But make sure you guys go ahead and like this video up. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on all our social media. But stay tuned until we go ahead and get these reviews on and popping and get to this place.
So y'all, we going to a seafood restaurant. So I'm about to read something.
Boy, waves swimming. It's a 4-star.
Yeah, it's a 4-star restaurant. 4-star. It says, love this place. Drinks are phenomenal. Food is awesome. Service is fast and raters are friendly. That's 5 stars. That was posted 11 days ago. You want to read something? It's a long one.
This is the one that you just read?
No, I just read this one. It's going down.
It said, this place is so inexpensive for the quality you're paying for. The food has so much flavor and the location is...
Right by blank, no say.
It is so affordable for everyone to enjoy some ball food with flavor. The dirty rice is definitely a staple.
I love
it is so delicious. I wish that the portion was bigger. Though for $4.99.
$5 basically.
Yeah.
Okay. I love this food. I love this food. The crab legs have flavored butter on top, but if that's not your thing, they're already perfectly seasoned without the butter. I'm gonna get some butter on top. No, they got like spicy, mild, Cajun.
I need spicy. Butter. I'm from Louisiana. Yeah. I need some spice. But with the crabs, man, snow crabs, dungeon crabs is where it's at. If you don't like no snow crabs, dungeon crabs, man, try it.
You say prepare your taste buds for a sensational experience of flavor. That just make it sound so good. It's sensational experience of flavor.
I'm gonna be so disappointed.
What is they being very dramatic about this?
I'm
it's
be
not
so
even
disappointed.
Like what they're saying, but I think it will be. Hopefully, because I heard good things about this place anyway.
I hate blue crabs. That's why.
Blank seafood is a field. Maybe we can say the name since it. Is that the name? I mean, if they from here, they might know where we at when we show, like, it don't matter. Crab Queens, I wasn't trying to say the name, but oh well. Seafood is filled with a hint of Cajun that can only be found here in Louisiana. The service was so upbeat and friendly, it was almost as if you were amongst friends. Okay, a few more. This is a hidden gem. Love the service. The food was out of this world good. Will definitely return.
You know what I hope they don't do? Hope like the waitress or not like they don't like come to you and serve you your food and then like don't come back to you at all.
Probably. So I don't know. Okay, one more. Let's see. This is the best boiled crab legs and shrimp and Baton Rouge. The Cajun butter sauce is the only way to go on your seafood. Okay, I might try the Cajun butter sauce. They have some great daiquiris too. You will always ooh, oh, I can't get no
something that she can't get. I find this hilarious.
Now I do. I say, ooh, I want me a daiquiri, but I forgot.
I might give me one just to tease you.
It's not even cool, son. Well, okay, we finna be on our way there. The dish opened 2 minutes ago, so.
Yeah, go ahead and head over there. So, while we go ahead and head there, make sure you go ahead and get your, I hope you ain't on like an empty stomach or anything, cause this, I feel like this is gonna
be a good video.
Yeah, but stay tuned. Go ahead and head over to the place. So,
we just pulled up to the place. I mean,
nah, I'm not gonna.
It looks like a little hole in the wall place, but they be having the best food.
They literally has.
I'll show you.
They have about 3 parking spots.
They don't have no parking spots.
You gotta park off to the side of another building.
It's like a little hole in the wall place, but maybe it might be good. It might be good. It might be good. This be the best food, the regular places.
I guess.
So let's move all this. We'll show y'all how it looks on outside. We go show them.
By the looks of this is what I'm talking about. Well, okay, it's a handicap spot and 2 other parking spots. Oh, well, another parking spot. 3 parking spots from the side of it made it look like it, though.
Yeah, but it's
no crab, shrimp, sides, and what is it?
succulent.
And daiquiris, and with crawfish.
You see that?
Yeah, I seen it.
Okay, I'm going to So, this is the menu. It's long here. I don't want to This is the menu. Decent prices for seafood. Like you don't have to get the butter sauce on it. It's a little regular menu. I guess that's usually the customers, so I guess. But it's already Burger King.
Almost like an 80s dining place.
Yeah, okay, y'all. So the inside of the restaurant is clean. It smells like seafood, I guess. It smells like this season.
Like some
seafood.
You know what Louisiana ball food smell like? All that spice. You know exactly.
It's real nice. We're still waiting to be waited on. We've been sitting there for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, and then we heard the waitress saying something about the Cajun rice wasn't done.
Yeah.
So I know we're gonna have to wait up on that.
Yeah.
But the places are like college kids, you know.
It's nice in here. Yeah.
I really feel like it's more of a.
It's more of a.
Yeah.
Alright, and 162 want to be your change, ma'am. And again, guys, my name is Bree, so if y'all need anything, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm going to bring some gloves to the table, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare the drinks, and it should be out shortly.
Okay.
Alright?
What I was about to say, it's like a fast food, but it's also like a dining.
Like one of those, like McDonald's or something. It's not like
It's
McDonald's.
far from that.
I'm not comparing it to McDonald's. I'm just saying it's a fast food restaurant, but you can sit in and eat it if you want to.
Yeah.
But it's taking out water, so it's not like we got a waitress.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe like.
It's a little confusing to me.
But yeah, it's nice in here. I'm ready to eat something. I made all day.
You.
I still got me a punch. I'm gonna take yours punch. But the waiter seemed nice. She came with on this. I like how they got the back there. You can see they got like they tweets.
Yeah,
like when people,
like
like people reviewing them on Twitter and stuff. I think that's tight. They got another wall like that.
One of them say delicious food. I mean, finger looking good.
This better be finger licking good food.
And you know,
They bought us some gloves.
Yeah, most seafood places, like when you eat seafood or something like that, you have to ask for gloves. You just put them on the back and just
Give us gloves. So I'm excited. It's nice in here though.
Okay, so I had to go to the restroom, and the restroom, like I knew something was the restroom is for both sex.
Oh, it was like
and it's like the restroom wasn't like nice. Like the toilet. Like if I seriously have to go to the bathroom, like take care of some business. I don't think I can do it. The toilet people didn't flush all the way down.
Oh, okay, I'm trying to say, but I got my food, y'all. So let's show them my food.
And like they had like stuff on the floor and everything. But oh no, got her little. She went ahead and got her little funky food before me. It look good though. It smell good though.
Three, I supposed to get two. Okay. I thought it would be like a smoked sausage, but it's oh, let me tell you what I ordered. I had ordered the 2 smoked crabs, 10 shrimp, 1 corn, egg, sausage, and potatoes. But they gave me 3 of these.
It really is considered one because you gotta think about it. It's not a full crab.
Yeah, I thought it would be like smoked sausage, but I don't know.
It might be smoked sausage.
And the
Potatoes all broke up.
Oh, like broke up. That's fine on me.
Well, it looks like they cut up.
Shrimp. And I got corn.
Shrimp look good.
So I'm about to go ahead and try. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm about to, it's not hot. It's not hot. Cold. I mean, it's not cold, like freezing cold, but it's like, it's ever been sitting out.
Yeah, both food's supposed to be hot. It looks salty.
Not really, I really had much flavor. It's not disgusting, but I'm probably not going to maybe because I ain't putting any sauce. Pretty good. Want to taste this?
You ain't gotta take the peeling off. You leave the peeling off.
I think it's pretty good.
Ain't that spicy?
I feel like people have to.
That ain't spicy at all.
I'm trying to shrimp. It's cold.
The potato wasn't cold. It was warm.
I need my food to be piped. It's not a 10. It's good. You can try it too. That's fine. It's a lot of potatoes. I ain't know gonna be so much potatoes. I'm gonna try a piece of this.
Crab. Like they held back on some of the meat up on it.
I had that one, but it's good. It's not horrible.
Ball egg.
I never had a bald egg in my seafood.
I never had one before.
But I be watching, sometimes we level, she having bald eggs in hers, and you say like an egg with seasoning. Seasoning on it. That's great. This is the corn.
I hate sweet corn.
No, I love corn. I think it's good. You gotta wait till you get your
yeah, I gotta wait until I get mine.
He got Cajun rice and some crabs, but
I gotta wait while I see eat.
It's good.
But I'm giving the benefit of the doubt. Reason being is because they're not so longer open at 12, and it's about like maybe like 12. Yeah, but then again, I'm not because right. I'm not giving them the benefit of the doubt.
They should have been ready.
Right.
But it's good though.
I'm gonna give them maybe a 3. If my food is.
Yeah, we're gonna give it overall rating about 3.
Yeah.
Straight.
But get my food. I'm gonna go ahead and rate them in as well. So just stay tuned.
Also, I'm eating on a plastic plate with foil paper. I feel like I'm at a family seafood bowl, and I'm sitting outside and I'm eating.
Have a family get together.
Had a family get together. Okay, y'all, about 15 minutes later, he got his food.
And I find this so ghetto. Reason being, they gave me the same tray that they would normally give like for seafood, and it was like, hey, you see the tray? It's supposed to be on like a plate.
I feel like this tasty. It might be good. Is it hot?
It's hot.
It's really hot.
It tastes good.
And his crabs don't have no sauce. I guess it didn't come with no sauce. But it might have seasoning already in it.
I don't know, but
I feel like we had because the reviews were so good, we didn't expect to come in and have it on like a plastic plate. We never get a plastic tray with wallpaper. The reviews were so good. I thought it was gonna be like a nice fancy restaurant or something. But the food is okay. I wouldn't even say it's exceptional like you say. But we're gonna give our overall review after we're done.
So I'm just go ahead and give my overview of it, of my food and how my experience was. And I'm gonna go ahead and let Mia go ahead and give her.
Did y'all just leave out of Crab Queen?
Yes.
So we can park over in this area?
Yes.
Okay.
You walking? But my personal experience and how I felt about it, I'm gonna give yours.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you do your own. But I got a little something right here. But that place is overrated. As of the review rating up on that is a 4-star. I wouldn't even give it a 4-star. One, I had to wait up on my food while she had her food. Two, the tray, I'm thinking like the little, they gave me, well, it was on styrofoam tray. And I'm thinking, okay, that's only for the ball food or whatever. I got my Cajun rice. It was on the same tray.
On wallpaper.
Yeah, like they wash they little foam things off, take the aluminum foil off, and reuse it. 3, the menus wasn't all that. To have a seafood place and you don't serve all seafood, you advertise crawfish up on your door. You don't serve crawfish. You don't, seafood place, you don't even serve fried like fish, shrimp, stuff like that.
Right.
And 4, the waitress, after she came, gave us, well, she checked up on us to see how our food was when she had her food, and I didn't even have my food. And she came back when it was, yeah, to check to see how we was doing. We're done now. So I mean, my rating would probably be maybe like a 1.5, 2.
I thought you were gonna say,
I mean, the quality, I mean, the taste of the food is good, but it doesn't make up for all the aspects of the place that you have.
Hey, no, first of all, my food was cold. It wasn't cold, but it wasn't, to say it was just open when we got there, my food should have been steaming hot.
Yes.
Like, to say it just opened, my food was not hot. It was not hot, and I was disappointed. The crabs didn't have no meat in it. It was small little crabs. We were digging for the meat to say it was $25 worth of, it would have had no meat. What else? The waitress wasn't dressed like, they had on like tights and it wasn't in uniform.
Like one of the guys, he looked like he was just some guy off of the street.
Yeah. But the crab, it was okay. The sauce I had was a little bit too garlicky. Like, it wasn't like, I thought it would be more Cajun, like more seasoned. But it was kind of like garlicky. Look at these people looking at me.
Doesn't matter with those people.
What else? It's just, I don't know. It's like I got full, but I'm not full to the point where I know I'm going to be full for a minute. Cause I'm not going to be hungry in like an hour maybe. Cause I'm not that full. Like
I was like on the verge of being full. I'm not even full.
It's overrated. It's overrated. Maybe our expectations were so high because
it was a 4-star.
It was a 4-star, and people were saying it was exceptional. It was full season. I mean, it had season, but it wasn't like I can make here a million times season. But maybe because we like seafood, we like you know, we used to eating. We just hard critics, hard people to please. Maybe we just doing too much.
No, we're not doing too much. We're in Louisiana.
Yeah,
They're in
Baton Rouge.
Yeah, Baton Rouge. So I feel like the taste of ball food should be there.
Right, it should be.
You have some people that's like out of state that come to Louisiana just for their ball food.
Yeah, and I wouldn't recommend coming here for the ball food. That's just my opinion. But eating on.
I could have did this at the house.
Like we could have bought our own ball food and did it. Right, it just.
The crabs would have been more fuller. Everything.
I don't want to be too tough on them. I don't know. Maybe. I feel like the food, today's Sunday, I feel like the food was already cooked from like yesterday and they didn't feel like cooking again. So they just gave us what they already had cooking. My food should not have been cold. I'm just.
True.
Bro, my food was cold. And y'all had this open like 15 minutes ago. My food should have been piping hot. Like it should have been just coming out the pot.
For the potatoes, well, her potatoes that she had up on her tray.
Everything was cold.
It was like, for them to be supposedly bald, there was like garlic.
Yeah, it didn't taste like, it tasted like garlic potato, like you just making garlic potatoes in a pot. It didn't taste like boiled potatoes, like with seasoning. It wasn't even spicy. Potatoes wasn't even spicy.
What would you rate them?
I will give them a 2.5. Cause the food wasn't horrible. Maybe we just came on a bad day. Cause I feel like it can get better.
I don't feel like we came on a bad day. We was like one of the first people up in there.
Yeah, we was like literally one of the first people in there. My food, I don't know. I don't want to be too harsh on them.
I'm not coming back here.
Oh, I would come back. I don't think I'm gonna come back. But it was, and I hate that we had to pay before we ate our food.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't like we had to pay before we eat. I didn't like that either.
Right. Oh.
Huh?
Where I pay the park at?
We didn't pay the park. We just parked.
You don't have to pay the park?
No, we didn't pay. We could just park right here, I guess.
Alright.
Excuse that, but oh yeah, that would be my rating for it. Maybe like 1.5, 2.
2.5, because it wasn't horrible.
But hey, set my high expectations so high.
Because I was so ready to go. Because the reviews just had me like, ooh, this gonna be good.
But I know I'll be out again later. I'm getting something else to eat.
Yeah, most definitely.
Soon,
before I even get to my house, because I'm kind of getting hungry again.
But if you guys liked the video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. Follow us on all our social media, and don't forget to turn on that all notification bell, because we will be posting again later.
Yeah, if you like these videos, comment down below like some other things we should review, like other restaurants, maybe like other things you want us to review, like nail shops and stuff like that, maybe.
Yeah, you won't see me in the nail shop.
Barber shops and stuff like that too.
Oh, I got some.
Worst review, best review. If you like these type of videos,
I got something about the barber shop.
Place that you want us to review. What you say?
I got something about the barber shop. The story that I told you about the barber shop last night. But stay tuned. We'll be posting again later.